Hey guys, that's us here, and today is going to be an unboxing of the nexxtech roll-up portable keyboard. Okay, so on the box you can see it just says roll-up portable keyboard, ideal for traveling. Just roll it up and carry it in your notebook case. Waterproof, spills can be wiped clean. Quiet touch keys. On here it says heat resistant, so it's okay to keep in the car. Includes USB to PS2 adapter. Okay, so that's it. Anyways, you can see it right there. Sorry, you can see it right there. Not really. Let's unbox this. So that was just the top. Let's pull out the actual keyboard itself. Here's the keyboard. I guess that would be the. So it says it's a USB to a PS2 adapter. Actually, it's a PS2 to USB adapter. So they did get that one wrong, but you can see you need that. I have a laptop and there. So let's zoom out so you can actually see it. So there you can see the whole keyboard. Nice keyboard. Not too hard to press. I mean, it's a little different, but yeah, something you get used to. Alright, bye.